Extra challenged us to a food tour of London, and we said unequivocally, yes.
It's obviously been quite a tricky time for restaurants of late, but it's also shone a light on some of the creativity in the hospitality industry.
We're going to be driving around in the van saying hello to a few chefs who have all had to adapt in different ways. Mashed breath is a real thing, so after every meal we're going to be popping an extra to keep things fresh. Think London's most exciting new pizza pop-up, the city's best pub burger, mind-blowing burritos, incredible Macedonian Burek pies, and top-drawer biang biang noodles. This is our food tour
In strange and unprecedented times.
So first up, we're heading off to see Elliot. He still runs Lagom. He describes it as a Swedish-English barbecue pop-up. Literally in the past couple of weeks, he started, as he puts it, slinging czars. Yeah, making delicious pizza. I think he's got a Gosney.
A Gosney?
A big old, massive Gosney. Yeah.
There's two whippets.
Well, he's got two whippets.
Apparently he's got two whippets, yeah.
Wicked.
So I used to run another pizza sort of street food concession before I started my business.
Are you doing delivery then?
We've employed a couple of cyclists locally. We want to put money in people's pockets that are living in the area and support people that have been supporting us through this as well. So I think we should try the anchovy pizza. It's a white base, Hispi cabbage, anchovies, chili, and a bit of fior di latte and some olive oil. And then I think we'll go for an andouille. It's like a spicy sausage on top of margarita. Bit of honey to finish.
Delicious. Just give me a quarter.
The crunch is really nice.
Next level.
This is a thing of beauty. I've never seen, it's like the form of the pizza.
Man, too many pizza places that say they're doing andouille pizza don't put any andouille on it. You just get like one lonely lump.
Oh, it's so nice.
That's some of the best I've had, yeah.
Yeah. They're charring. Exquisite.
All right, El Pizza done. FourLegs.
So FourLegs next at the Compton Arms. It's two lads, Ed and Jamie, it's supposed to be the best burger in the whole of London.
One of the most exciting pubs in London, and not for the wet lead.
Wet lead?
Publican. Isn't that the phrase when a pub only serves drinks?
Wet lead. No,
I've
never heard that before.
Something that's like super, really wet pub.
You're wet lead.
Agree with that. Oh, sorry, Curb.
Burger was what put us on the map, really.
It was a bit hard at first because it's a pub, so we was kind of seeing what we could get away with, you know, in a pub setting, food-wise.
Smash burger, yeah, man. So it's just like purely so that when it hits the pan, you get all those edges, and then it just crisps up like so much nicer. I don't want hard cheddar in a burger, innit? It just has to like melt and amalgamate with the meat to the point where you can't really discern where one starts and the other begins.
You love this, don't you? The smash it.
It's just a great method. Tried and tested.
But little crispy onions, I like that.
It's the double. It's like the copious amounts of raw onion for me.
Yeah.
And like, just makes it all sing. Oh, one thing. It's got a text.
It's not very professional.
No, I know, but our mate Patchy from Burritos, Machete, said he was going to drop us some burritos.
Oh yeah.
Unexpected bonus food tour round. What flavour we got today?
Mapo tofu.
Amazing.
So I wanted to do tacos, but they don't travel very well, so
Yeah, soggy.
might as well, yeah.
God, it's glorious. That's sensational.
Mate, that was off the chain. Unexpected burrito delivery.
Yeah. Bonus round.
Sick. Cheers, guys.
Nice
Enjoy.
to meet you. Cheers.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh, this is delicious.
Crazy. Right then, FourLegs, Burritos, Machete. Keep it fresh.
You got your key?
No. And then off to Mystic Borek.
We are off to see Mystic Borek, which is a
wicked.
great name.
Yeah. Best hashtag ever.
It's Spazia, and she's making these Macedonian pies that are kind of like a mix of a Macedonian pie and like just stuff she's picked up.
Yeah, I've seen pictures of these. They're like kind of mesmeric, like hypnotic circles of like.
Yeah, and she delivers it in her trolley. She's got a pink trolley.
And she does everything herself, right? Everything from home.
The whole shebang. Yeah.
And she does like Borek drops, right?
Yeah, right.
Borek drops.
Such an entrance.
I know.
What have you got? What's in
All
the
right,
box?
so I brought you guys a hot beef and peppers, and then I also brought you a hot Ivar oil, which is Ivar is like a red pepper relish that's super popular in the Balkans. It's like our ketchup.
Yeah.
And then I make an oil out of it, and it's like super garlicky and spicy and rich and delicious. Yeah.
Flying the flag for Balkan food.
Yeah.
I like that they're in a pizza box. That is
Yes.
super cool. Confidence is key. There we go.
Oh, mate.
Wow, look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? It's like a sort of phyllo lasagna.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
delicious.
Crazy, it's like every bit as good as I hoped and more. And if there was a Mystic Borek restaurant,
Yeah. Oh.
what else would be on the menu?
Ah, so much. I'm actually, slowly kind of pulling ideas together for that. I've got
Cool.
a few recipes that I'm working on this week, and then just build some sort of a menu in preparation, because that's definitely the dream.
Game over. We're done, this is too good. Just popping in an extra to keep it fresh. And now we're off to Xi'an impression. See you later. This is like the OG, I've been coming here for years. This place in particular made biang biang noodles in London really, really popular.
I can't wait. Yeah, again, another restaurant I haven't been to, another classic restaurant.
It's just a
Fill in
tour
the
of
dots.
places Hugh hasn't been before. I think for me this is like the original spot for this kind of food, which I really, really love. And it's Xi'an cuisine, specifically that Xi'an impression is about. Is that right?
Yes, it's original from Xi'an, Shanxi province. This is we call the cold noodles. Actually, it's room temperature and also handmade noodle. The main thing I really, really want to introduce to you, we call the biang biang noodle. The chili on the top, import from Xi'an, China as well. That chili is only produced from that soil from Xi'an.
Thank you so much.
Thanks very much. Yeah, as Chow was saying, it's like all about the aromatic chili.
Yeah.
Not too salty, not at all like greasy, it's just great, man.
And they're all made here, every day.
Yeah, has to be daily. Has to be.
Go and get the cold noodles next time, everyone.
That's it. That concludes our food tour of London with a bit of a difference.
We've eaten some genuinely delicious food, we've met some amazing people, and we've seen how agile and creative and passionate people cooking in London are today. And we want to thank all of the restaurants for taking part. You've been amazing.
Yeah, cheers guys. And we also couldn't have done it without our friends at Extra. So thanks Extra for keeping us fresh along the way. Cheers.
Do you want to lift home?
Blue.
Okay. Yeah.
Cheers. I do actually.
Well, yeah, I will give you a lift home.